Maruti Alto K10. The Maruti Alto K10 is an affordable hatchback that offers decent space, fuel-efficient powertrain including a CNG option, 7-inch touchscreen, and 6 airbags. Built to a price in terms of fit and finish, its sufficient performance and good drivability make it one of the best entry-level hatchback option. Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 mileage. Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 owner reported mileage is 23 kilometers per kilogram for CNG variants. The petrol mileage for Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 ranges between 24.39 kmpl to 24.9 kmpl. How is the Maruti Alto K10 car? Pros: compact proportions and light controls make the Alto K10 effortless to cut through the congested city traffic. The engine feels peppy and delivers strong performance that can be fun. The 214-liter boot is practical and well-shaped, with minimal intrusions while loading or unloading luggage. The overall build and material quality feel acceptable given the price point and segment standards. More cons: road, wind, and other external noises seep into the cabin noticeably. Higher trims are priced slightly highly, making the top-end versions feel less value for money. The Alto K10's simple design has started to show its age compared to more modern rivals. More Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 engine and performance. 4.3 expert rating. Pipe. 4.5 user rating. 545. Positives: it has a 66 bhp 89 Nm 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine with an optional CNG variant, and transmission options include a 5-speed manual and an AMT gearbox. This engine cranks and settles down to an audible thrum that is not noisy unless revved to the limit. The light clutch, smooth slotting gears, and responsive accelerator make it effortless to get on the move from a standstill. The 0 to 60 kmph and 0 to 100 kmph runs take 5.23 seconds and 12.15 seconds, respectively, which is reasonably quick. One needs to shift to lower gears for a quick overtake or get up to speed with other fast-moving traffic. The tires and brakes are quite capable of halting this hatchback, even under panic braking situations. The high-profile 13-inch wheels and damping setup adequately absorb most road conditions. The tight turning radius and compact size make it easy to park and drive through narrow lanes. The manual returned 14.5 kmpl in the city and 21.8 kmpl on the highway in our fuel efficiency tests. Negatives: it leans considerably and there is some side-to-side movement when driven fast around corners. The Alto K10 does not feel as stable as you would like at highway cruising speeds above 80 kmph. The 20 to 80 kmph third gear and 40 to 100 kmph runs fourth gear of 11.24 and 16.01 seconds are time-consuming.